Namaste, future civil servants. Welcome to our comprehensive daily current affairs session designed specifically for your UPSC preparation. Today, May 12th, 2026, we will be discussing a range of significant topics that hold great importance for your exams. We will delve into the Madras High Court's decision regarding TV case Tirupattur MLA who won by a single vote and its implications on the trust vote in the Assembly, which is relevant to your polity and governance syllabus. Additionally, we will cover the swearing-in ceremony of Himanta Biswa Sarma as the Chief Minister of Assam and other key developments from the state. These topics are crucial for your upcoming exams, particularly in the context of Indian politics and current events. As we navigate through these topics, I encourage you to take notes and engage with our content. Don't forget to check the comment section for practice questions and further discussion. Let's begin our 20-minute session, and I look forward to exploring these vital topics with you. The Madras High Court has restrained the ruling Tamilaga Vetri Kalagam or TVK MLA R Srinivasa Sethupathi from participating in the trust vote to be held on the floor of the Legislative Assembly on or before May 13, 2026. This decision comes after a writ petition was filed by Dravida Munnetra Kalagam or DMK former Minister K.R. Karuppan, who lost to the TVK MLA by a single vote. The significance of this case lies in the fact that it highlights the importance of electoral procedures and the potential for errors in the voting process. The DMK former minister claimed that he lost the polls due to two constituencies with the same name Tirupattur in Tamil Nadu, which led to a postal vote being wrongly dispatched to the wrong district. This error resulted in the TVK candidate winning by one vote. The case underscores the need for precise electoral procedures to ensure the integrity of the democratic process. Key details of the case include the fact that the writ petition was filed by K.R. Karuppan, who was represented by senior counsel Mukul Rohatagi and N.R. Elangu. The petition claimed that if the postal vote had been redirected to the correct district, both candidates would have secured an equal number of votes and the winner would have been decided by a draw of lots, as per election laws. The Madras High Court, comprising Justices L. Victoria Gauri and N. Senthil Kumar, granted an interim injunction restraining the TVK MLA from voting or participating in any floor test. This case is relevant to the UPSC syllabus, particularly in the context of polity and governance. It relates to the functioning of the Legislative Assembly, the role of the judiciary in ensuring electoral integrity, and the procedures outlined in the Representation of the People Act 1951. Aspirants should note the importance of electoral laws and the potential implications of errors in the voting process.
For prelims, this case could lead to questions on the Representation of the People Act, while for mains, it could be analyzed in the context of the role of the judiciary in ensuring democratic integrity. The impact of this decision will be significant, as it may affect the outcome of the trust vote in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. The TVK MLA's restraint from participating in the vote could potentially alter the balance of power in the Assembly. Various stakeholders, including political parties and the electorate, will be affected by this decision. In other news, Himanta Biswa Sarma has taken oath as the Chief Minister of Assam for the second consecutive term. This significant event occurred on May 2, 2026, at a grand ceremony held at the Veterinary Ground in the Kanapara area in Guwahati. Governor Laxman Prasad Acharya administered the oath of office to Mr. Sarma. This development is crucial as it marks the formation of the third successive National Democratic Alliance (NDA) government in the state. The importance of this event lies in the fact that the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has managed to secure a hat-trick in Assam, demonstrating its strong electoral presence in the region. The BJP's victory is a testament to its ability to mobilize support and form alliances with other parties, such as the Assam Gana Parishad (AGP) and the Bodoland People's Front (BPF). The swearing-in ceremony was attended by prominent leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Ministers Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, and Sarbananda Sonowal. Key details of the event include the oath-taking ceremony of 4 MLAs as ministers, namely Rameshwar Teli and Ajanta Nigog of the BJP, Atal Bora of the AGP, and Charan Bora of the BPF. The presence of chief ministers and deputy chief ministers of BJP-ruled states, as well as BJP President Nitin Nabeen, underscores the significance of this event. The ceremony was held on May 2, 2026, and marks the beginning of the third consecutive term of the NDA government in Assam. For UPS aspirants, this event is relevant to the polity and governance section of the syllabus, particularly in the context of Indian politics and state governments. The formation of the NDA government in Assam has implications for the state's development and the implementation of central government schemes. Aspirants should note the importance of coalition politics and the role of regional parties in shaping state governments. Potential prelims MCQ points include the names of the ministers sworn in, the date of the ceremony, and the significance of the NDA government in Assam. The impact of this event on India and various stakeholders is multifaceted. The BJP's victory in Assam demonstrates its ability to consolidate power and form alliances with regional parties. This has implications for the party's national politics and its ability to implement policies at the state level. The AGP and BPF, as regional parties, have also benefited from their alliance with the BJP, demonstrating the importance of coalition politics in Indian democracy. From a governance perspective, the NDA. Now, let's turn our attention to a man was apprehended on May 12, 2026, from the venue of the swearing-in ceremony of the new Assam government, allegedly with a few rounds of live bullets. This incident occurred at the Veterinary College field in Khanapara, where security screening was being conducted at the entrance. The live bullets were recovered from the individual during the screening process. The significance of this event lies in its timing and location, as it happened minutes before Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya was set to administer the oath of office in secrecy to Himanta Biswa Sharma as Chief Minister, along with a new Council of Ministers. The ceremony was attended by several high-profile dignitaries, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, and other union ministers, as well as the chief ministers of 22 NDA-ruled states and union territories. The presence of top industrialists and religious leaders, including the abbots of 17 Vaishnav monasteries across Assam, further underscores the importance of this event. Key details of the incident include the recovery of live bullets from the individual, who is currently being questioned by the police. No arms have been recovered from the person, and an investigation is underway to determine the circumstances surrounding the recovery and whether any security threat was involved. The incident has raised concerns about the security arrangements in place for such high-profile events. Notable attendees included BJP National President Nitin Naveen, highlighting the political significance of the ceremony. This incident is relevant to the UPSC syllabus, particularly in the context of internal security, which is a key topic in the General Studies Paper 2. Aspirants should be aware of the various security threats that India faces, including terrorism and insurgency, and the measures taken by the government to address these threats. From a prelims perspective, questions may be asked about the specifics of the incident, such as the date, location, and individuals involved. In the mains exam, aspirants may be required to analyze the implications of such incidents on India's internal security and the role of the government in preventing and responding to security threats. The incident has significant implications for India's internal security, particularly in the context of high-profile events. The presence of live bullets at the ceremony raises questions about the effectiveness of security screening and the potential for security breaches. From a stakeholder perspective, the incident may have implications for the Assam government, the BJP, and the NDA coalition as well. Next up, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C.
Joseph Vijay made his maiden speech in the Tamil Nadu Assembly on Tuesday, May 12, 2026. This significant event marks the beginning of his tenure as the Chief Minister of the state. The Assembly proceedings began with the unanimous election of TVK legislator JCD Prabhakar as the Speaker of the Tamil Nadu Assembly. Immediately after, Mr. Ravi Shankar was elected unopposed as the Deputy Speaker. The importance of this event lies in the fact that it sets the tone for the new government's policies and priorities. The Tamil Nadu Assembly is the supreme legislative body in the state, and the Chief Minister's maiden speech outlines the government's vision and agenda for the future. This event is crucial as it highlights the government's commitment to social equity, welfare, and transparency. Key details of the event include the election of Mr. Prabhakar as the Speaker and Mr. Ravi Shankar as the Deputy Speaker. The Chief Minister, in his maiden address, quoted Abraham Lincoln to emphasize the importance of social equity. He also congratulated the newly elected Speaker and outlined his government's priorities, which include governance, welfare, youth development, and transparency. Notably, the Chief Minister ordered the closure of 717 state-run liquor shops, also known as Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation or TASMAC shops, located within 500 meters of educational institutions and places of worship across the state. Of these, 276 shops are near places of worship, 186 near educational institutions, and 255 near bus terminals. TASMAC operates a total of 4,765 retail liquor outlets across the state. This event is relevant to the UPSC syllabus, particularly in the context of Indian polity and governance. Aspirants should note that the Chief Minister's speech and the government's priorities are related to the topics of federalism, state legislatures, and social welfare. For prelims, aspirants should remember the names of key individuals such as the Chief Minister and the Speaker, as well as the statistics related to the closure of liquor shops. For mains, aspirants can analyze the implications of the government's priorities on governance, welfare, and transparency, and how they relate to the broader context of Indian politics and governance. The government's role in this context is significant as it highlights the importance of state legislatures in implementing policies and programs. The closure of liquor shops near educational institutions and places of worship is a notable example of the government's commitment to social welfare and public health. This move can be seen. Shifting gears too. Recently, actor R Madhavan opened up about his parenting approach, highlighting the importance of open and honest conversations with children from a young age. This approach is significant in today's society, where discussions about sensitive topics such as boundaries, sexual touch, and contraception are often delayed or avoided by parents. Madhavan's decision to treat his son Vedant as an adult from a young age, including discussions about these sensitive topics, is noteworthy. The need for such conversations has become increasingly important in recent years, with the World Health Organization or WHO reporting that approximately 21% of girls and 18% of boys in India experience sexual violence before the age of 18. Furthermore, the National Family Health Survey (NFHS) 2019-21 revealed that only 37% of young women and 28% of young men aged 15 to 24 have comprehensive knowledge about HIV/AIDS. These statistics underscore the importance of education and awareness about reproductive health, boundaries, and consent. R Madhavan's approach is significant as he began discussing these topics with his son at the age of 4, emphasizing the importance of continuous dialogue. This approach has instilled trust and responsibility in Vedant, making it easier for Madhavan to communicate with him. For UPSC aspirants, this topic is relevant to Paper 2 of the mains examination under the syllabus topic of social justice and international relations. The importance of education and awareness about reproductive health, boundaries, and consent is also connected to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), particularly SDG 3, good health and well-being, and SDG 5, gender equality. From an analytical perspective, Madhavan's approach highlights the need for a shift in societal attitudes towards discussing sensitive topics with children. This is crucial in preventing instances of sexual violence and promoting healthy relationships. Moreover, it emphasizes the importance of parental involvement in shaping the values and attitudes of children. The impact of such conversations can be far-reaching, influencing not only the individual but also the community at large. The Government of India has implemented various policies and schemes to promote reproductive health and awareness, such as the Adolescent Reproductive and Sexual Health Program (ASH) and the National Health Mission (NHM). Additionally, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act 2012 aims to protect children from sexual abuse and exploitation. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution also guarantees the right to life and personal liberty, which includes the right to reproductive health and autonomy. Moving forward, it is essential for parents, educators, and policymakers too. Also making headlines today, a significant development has taken place in Tamil Nadu politics as a rebel group of the All India Anna Dravida Munethita Kalgam or AIDMK, led by former Ministers CV Shanmugam and SP Velumani, has declared its support to the new Tamilaga Vetri Kalgam or DVK government. This announcement comes ahead of a crucial floor test in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, scheduled to take place on May 12, 2026. The importance of this event lies in the fact that the AIDMK, founded by M. Ramachandran, has been a major player in Tamil Nadu politics for decades. The party has been plagued by internal conflicts since the death of its former leader, J. Jayalalalitha, in 2016. The current split within the party is a result of the power struggle between Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the General Secretary of AIADMK, and the rebel group led by CV Shanmugam. Key details of this development include the fact that the rebel group has accused Edappadi K. Palaniswamy of trying to form a government with the support of the Dravida Munnetra Pelagam or DMK, the traditional adversary of the AIADMK. This move is seen as a betrayal by the rebel group, which has decided to extend its support to the TVK government instead. The TVK, led by its founder, is a new player in Tamil Nadu politics, and its emergence has significant implications for the state's political landscape. For UPSC aspirants, this development is relevant to the polity section of the syllabus, particularly in the context of Indian political parties and their role in state politics. In the prelims exam, questions may be asked about the AIADMK, its history, and its current political stance. In the mains exam, aspirants may be required to analyze the impact of this development on Tamil Nadu politics and the implications for the state's governments. The split within the AIADMK, Ramachandran, has been a major player in Tamil Nadu politics for decades. The party has been plagued by internal conflicts since the death of its former leader, J. Jayalalalitha, in 2016. The current split within the party is a result of the power struggle between Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the General Secretary of AIADMK, and the rebel group led by CV Shanmugam. Key details of this development include the fact that the rebel group has accused Edappadi K. Palaniswamy of trying to form a government with the support of the Dravida Munnetra Pelagam or DMK, the traditional adversary of the AIADMK. This move is seen as a betrayal by the rebel group, which has decided to extend its support to the TVK government instead. The TVK, led by its founder, is a new player in Tamil Nadu politics, and its emergence has significant implications for the state's political landscape. For UPSC aspirants, this development is relevant to the polity section of the syllabus, particularly in the context of Indian political parties and their role in state politics. In the prelims exam, questions may be asked about the AIADMK, its history, and its current political stance. In the mains exam, aspirants may be required to analyze the impact of this development on Tamil Nadu politics and the implications for the state's governments. The split within the AIADMK has significant implications for various stakeholders, including the party's supporters, the DMK, and the TVK.
The rebel group's decision to support the TVK government may lead to a realignment of political forces in the state, potentially affecting the outcome of future elections. The DMK, which has been the main opposition party in the state, may also be impacted by this development, as it may need to reassess its strategy in the face of a potentially weakened AIADMK. The government's role in this development is crucial, as it may need to intervene to maintain stability in the state. The Tamil Nadu. In today's session, we covered 6 significant news stories, including the Madras High Court's decision on TVK's Tirupattur MLA, the Assam swearing-in ceremony, and the maiden speech of Chief Minister Vijay in the Tamil Nadu Assembly. Key points to remember include the importance of judicial oversight in ensuring fair political processes, the role of state governments in shaping regional policies, and the need for age-appropriate conversations on sensitive topics. For exam preparation, recall these points in practice-related previous year questions. Our PDF notes are available in the description for your reference. Stay motivated and focused on your preparation journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. We wish you success in your UPSC preparation and look forward to guiding you through the journey. Keep learning and stay ahead.